For the first time in the last 3 years, Indian exports, that is, Indian agriculture exports, have grown about 17%, which amounts to $14 billion of money to India. And this is a very, very welcome move, especially during the coronavirus pandemic, when a lot of markets were closed, but the agri exports were at an all time high for India, especially. The reason being, the first and foremost, is the agriculture export policy that was made in 2018, which allowed the product specific clusters, product district specific clusters, which means a particular district which is good in mango was allowed to export mangoes to other countries. Varanasi had its own product and it was exporting across the world. And that is how we actually made it through. And also the agri cells, which were actually located in the Indian embassies across the world, promoted the Indian agriculture produce to across the world, right? And also the country specific exports were also taken into consideration. For example, if Argentina wanted basmati and mango, more amount of exports were given to Argentina with respect to those products. And that is how India has actually gained a significant amount of exports this year with respect to the agriculture exports. And thanks to adherence of the norms, especially in Europe, because Europe relies too much on quality, and we have adhered to the norms of the European Union. At the same time, the geographical indication tag given to each and every product has given the uniqueness of the product and has allowed for India to export even more content because of its uniqueness that is involved. Thank you so much for every farmer for actually being part of this initiative of this agri export policy, and if they've made it through. And going forward, India can actually export even more number of products now that the access to markets has opened. Yes, there has improved number of access in terms of moving on to the South American region, to the North American region, and also to the Southeast Asian regions, especially Argentina, where they want basmati rice and mango from India. And also it has opened up to the new markets such as Puerto Rico, and that is how India's exports has grown significantly high compared to the last 3 years. But were we better before that? Yes, absolutely, we were better. But in the last 3 years, it had stagnated to a great extent. And finally, the export policy of the government and the push from the government side has actually worked out. And thank you so much for doing that.